Okay, this is another video on UVC light, except this light here has a dual function because this light emits ozone also, and ozone is also a disinfectant. This light emits 185 nanometer and 8 watt, and this is a T5 configuration. T5 means like 5/8 of an inch. You have fluorescent bulbs that are T5, T8. T8 would be like a 1-inch lamp. So this one is T5. This one has the power supply built in. So all you have to do is plug in your cable and the light is operational. The only thing is this light here comes with a plug like this. I have to find a similar plug. So I have this in my storage, and if you don't have this kind of wiring, you would have to make up your own wiring, which is not too difficult. And this is 8 watts. Now, if 8 watts is not sufficient for you, you can buy a few more. I'm not sure exactly how many you can connect all together, but you can at least add 2 or 3 together, so you can daisy chain it. So the light here has a socket here, and there's a connector you can put in, and I guess you use a bullet connector here of some kind and then connect your wiring to it. You can daisy chain it, and there's a cap that you should put on after you finish wiring it, so you don't touch the pins by mistake. And you can mount it. It comes with 2 metal brackets like this, 2 of them. So you just mount this bracket on the wall, and you can clip the light onto your wall. So I plan to use this light in my garage, so when I come home, I can put all my clothing, food, or whatever, anything that I want to sanitize, I can put it into my garage first, turn on the light remotely, and then have it stay on for at least an hour, and then turn off the light. Now, after you turn off the light, you still have to leave the objects that you are disinfecting. You have to leave it alone for an hour or 2 because the light emits ozone gas. You have to let the ozone gas settle, or if you have a fan, you can ventilate your room or your garage before you can go in to remove the food or clothing that you left there for to sanitize. Don't expose your eyes and skin to the UVC light. So how much is this? This is $10. When I ordered it, I guess a month ago, they tried to cancel my order for whatever reason. I guess they want to maybe jack up the price, I'm not sure. But they weren't able to cancel it, so they eventually sent it to me. So I got it all for $10, and it includes the power supply. So when you get this, I would label the lamp with some information. I mark it dangerous, UVC, and also the box. I would label it, it's not a regular light, so don't use it for illumination. So These are the specification, and there's a actual formula. If you want to find out what dosage you would need, there's a formula for it. It's H equals E times T. T is the time, E is a watt centimeter square, and H is the dosage. So this particular light, this T8 is good for 12 meters square. So you can put it in the garage. It'll do its job. So like I said, I would recommend using a timer, or if you have a smart plug, like a smart device, or a mechanical or digital timer, you use that. Okay, so you turn on the light after you leave the room. You turn off the light before you enter the room. And like I said, with this fixture, you should not enter the room at least an hour or two after you turn off the light. Otherwise, there will be a very strong ozone smell. And ozone is a pollutant. Okay, thanks for watching.